Hello, today I'll be showing integration and workflow between Endace and our fusion partner Cisco Firepower. Cisco Firepower Management Center is the administrative nerve center to managing critical Cisco Next-Gen IPS, Next-Gen Firewall, and malware network security solutions. For this demo, we have Cisco Firepower Virtual Firewall running on Endace Probe as a hosted application, detecting threats in real time and performing threat investigations through the Firepower interface, with help of Endace's captured network history for drill down to rich packet level data for comprehensive network forensics. We will be simulating malware that has triggered some CNC activity on the network against some IoT devices on a specific subnet. Admins are no longer able to log into the affected devices as the threat has managed to change the admin passwords to those devices. Faced with the daunting physical visit to every device to manually factory reset, SecOps turns to packet history to see if it can help solve the problem. You will see how an analyst can detect the attack and quickly investigate and remediate. Starting with the Cisco Firepower interface, here we have a dashboard view of all the top attackers and intrusion events coming through this network ingress point. We see the top target IP addresses, and we see that we had a critical intrusion event in the past hour. We click on the spike to learn more about the situation. We quickly see that Firepower has detected a variant of Trojan Mirai malware and has several instances of it on this IDS. We can quickly see the details of this instance, including source and destination IP address, traffic type, and the rule in place that triggered this threat. From here, we could pivot right to Endace packets to get more information on the network packets themselves, but we want to start in Endace Vision to learn more of what's happening on the network. From Endace Vision, we focus on the source destination IP pairing and look at all the traffic happening in both directions. From the conversations frame and the traffic frame, we can see the number of sessions, length of the connections, and the amount of bits transferred back and forth. And we see the traffic was all HTTP application type of data. We also see the suspicious IP address has connected to several of the nodes in our environment, giving us a clear picture of who all is communicated with this rogue IP. Drilling into the packet level data, we can see the initial HTTP post exchange that was the login to the IoT device itself, where we see HTTP protocol form fields with our valid admin user and password. As we move to the next larger frame post, we learn that the device is now in the configure form, where the malware is reconfiguring the device and changing the password to being reset to I have you now. We now have concrete actionable information that allows us to quickly script and regain control of our compromised IoT devices. Since the CNC-driven password reset occurred before we were aware of the issue, obtaining this information would have been impossible if not for always-on packet capture as provided by the Endace Probe. An investment in packet history has clearly paid off here, saving a huge amount of labor that would have been required for factory resets, plus rapidly regaining control of our critical devices. In summary, you have seen how quickly we can detect and fully investigate a threat using the integrated Cisco Firepower and Endace solutions. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and thank you for watching.